KDYC and Ansui Karbi Anglong District jointly called a press conference over the construction of Battalion Training Center on 27 November. Eastern Karbi Anglong College successfully organized its glorious Silver Jubilee celebration from 25 to 27 November. OV Chengtur FC bags the championship title of 14 Casa Club Football Championship 2022. Hello viewers, good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live English Primetime News with Julie Bepi. Now the news in details. On 27th of November, around 5:30 p.m. late evening, Karbi Anglong District Youth Congress KADYC along with the National Students Union of India and SUI, Karbi Anglong District jointly called a press conference at their head office to express their concerns over the construction of Battalion Training Center along Karbi Anglong District and Nagaland State. Sukor Synchro, president of Karbi Anglong District Youth Congress, while addressing the media, informed that to avoid interstate border disputes and conflicts along border regions, both the central government and state government decided to set up a commando training center at Lahorijan. But there are certain issues which turned out dissatisfied consequently with reference to the construction going on. Crow questioned Dr. Tuliram Ronghang as to why the construction of the Commando Training Center was constructed few hectares away from the actual border demarcated using drones in presence of Nagaland State Government and Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council recently. It was also informed that while doing a ground zero inspection of the site, it was found out that the company known as Bhadri Roy Company, who took the contract for the construction of the training camp, had built its boundary using its own GPS without the consent of the Forest Department.
Karbi Anglong lapente mate Assam lapen Nagaland border ada more than pinakan a hectare along lake Masidikan nun. Tangke laso along liaman ke je Nagaland masih tekan ba mate Assam mate Karbi Anglong masih laso
Crow also questioned Dr. Tuliram Ronghang to clarify over the land area of approximately 3 square kilometers, 1 kilometer wide and 3 kilometers in length that was left behind from the actual border of Karbi Anglong and Nagaland.
Alam itu man brak pani tuman birta nang than mote ngal je labange non nang totally si laso project training camp atau wall banai thipo forest society isme laso road bang chela long de to tang laso long leke itu ko pisi ko masi alang itu do ma humprong do problem asli tum ki pudai ko la je ake ai mate team Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council chari pa ma sarkar atu non ma tong sikor pe laso a place long dampen visit dampen je laso long le ko pisi ke claim di ma lapente Nagaland bhasi ke tekan bubluma usini tumbang ke karju dunji mar kachini dun kantung bhasi pini laso amidia henoke bahilun.
Adding a note to that, Sabha Terang, president of National Students Union of India and SUI, Karbi Anglong District also highlighted about the issues during the press conference.
Report ke long dun ateng gela pulo je ditumela prang na mutunda me khola tunda hapan dam lo bodante hapu Nagaland so donji ang chondun protective nang therdon du lapu wan ria jari du la sinono bang ke la so ai su bang ke ni la pas karen jekan dung lo je itum Karbi Anglong ke nam pen nang kon side del la si immediately council pen dami la so action bang ke end of pransi ki me bon athe hapu itum meghalaya na le chelang dam utame meghalaya hi na tame non het pen galilo la so border is solam da abatai lo likhe sanguta kaning je itum kido ke thak kisum ben chenglok bozar lang me ben chenglok ako isi ining dono da galanda arjulong pon lang je alang tum kijuna lang long da bang tum duai chok pidam set.
News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live. One of the renowned degree college at Bokajan under Bokajan subdivision of East Karbi Anglong district, popularly known as Eastern Karbi Anglong College, achieved a milestone of successfully completing its glorious 25 years. Hence, to commemorate this event, 3 days long celebration was observed from 25th to 27th November, marking Silver Jubilee celebration. It was informed that Dr. Anil Chandra Das, principal of Eastern Karbi Anglong College, did the honor to host the official college flag during the opening ceremony, and Surjo Rongpar, EM of KEEC, also the president of reception committee of EKEC Silver Jubilee celebration, inaugurated the opening ceremony on 25th November. After the inaugural ceremony, it was followed by several sports and cultural events, including diverse cultural display and performance from the invited artists. On 27th of November, on the occasion of Silver Jubilee celebration, mass public meeting was also organized, where Braja Bijay Sharma, principal of Balipathar High School, chaired the meeting, and Dr. Anil Chandra Das, principal of Eastern Karbi Anglong College, briefed the objective of the mass gathering. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, attended as the chief guest of the event. EM Surjo Rongpar, EM Richard Togbi, EM Kadom Terangpi, MEC, and several dignitaries of the region attended the event. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of KEEC, while addressing his speech, gave an assurance to provide a financial grant of ₹1 crore for extension in numbers of classrooms, science streams, and beautification of the campus. Richard Togbi, EM in charge of education, during his speech expressed his gratitude to all the students who had successfully completed their graduation from Eastern Karbi Anglong College. Anantirang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. Under the initiatives of Karbi Anglong Sports Association (KASA), 14th edition of KASA Club Men's Football Championship 2022 was organized from 5th of November to 27th November in loving memory of late Monsing Tissot at KASA Playground. The final match of the tournament was played between Ovechingtur FC and Cleared Up FC. It was informed that the 14th edition of KASA Club Men's Championship 2022 was organized in loving memory of late Monsing Tissot, and it was sponsored by Amar Singh Tissot, EM of KEEC. As many as 31 football clubs had participated in the 14th edition of KASA Club Men's Football Championship 2022, but only 2 teams could make it to the final. Therefore, on 27th of November, the final match of the tournament was played between Ovechingtur FC and Cleared Up FC. Ovechingtur FC scored 4 goals, while Cleared Up FC managed to score only 1 goal against Ovechingtur FC till the full time of the match. Hence, Ovechingtur FC bagged the championship title of 14th KASA Club Football Championship 2022. The honor to give away the Memorial Champions Trophy along with the winner's check was done by the family members of late Monsing Tissot in presence of Pankaj Teron, General Secretary of Karbi Anglong Sports Association. The champion of the tournament was awarded with the Champions Trophy along with a check of ₹30,000. Also, the runners-up of the tournament was awarded with a trophy along with a check of ₹15,000. News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a great day.